Ah, what a sunny day in Equestria. Beautiful day, the birds are singing, and the apples are just about ready to be bucked. Speaking of birds, I wonder what birds say to Fluttershy whenever she's around. I mean, she does talk to animals. I wonder what she's hearing, especially in the morning. There two are ponies, all weathered and gray. We'll kill our ponies till we give them bay. They'll scream for mercy, and we'll take our time. To death all ponies, rule Equestria. To death all ponies, all weathered and gray. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this is happening. I can't believe I actually thought this was a perfect thing to have. This is a nightmare. I can't even leave my house and talk to Celestia about it. To death all ponies, all weathered and gray. They'll scream for mercy, and we'll take our time.